In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Apple Music on Djay app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Djay app has full integration with Apple Music, allowing you to play songs, playlists from various different sources, including Apple Music. So, to do this and directly streamed from your Apple Music library, ensure that you have an Apple Music subscription active. Open the Djay app and you will be able to connect your Apple Music account. To do this, tap on the sources icon. It is usually going to be over here at the top next to these main bar and controls. When you tap on the sources icon, one of the options is going to be Apple Music. Make sure that you select Apple Music. They have local files, and while the icon might appear similar, the Apple Music icon is going to be this orangish sort of red square. So tap this one. Once you do this, you should see the sign in screen for Apple Music, allowing you to sign into your account, which is going to connect all of your albums, songs, playlists, and so on directly into Djay. So make sure that you log in and everything will be loaded into the Djay app. Once everything has been loaded, you will see it here in various different categories: songs, artists, albums recently added, recently played, and you can tap any of the buttons at the bottom. So it's as if you are using the Apple Music app, but it is going to be fully integrated into Djay. Make sure that you have an internet connection active, and you will find the option here. You can switch sources at any point, but as long as Apple Music is selected, you will access the Apple Music library. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.